Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today I'm going to review the all-new helmet which is sent to me by Orin Motors. Thank you very much Orin Motors for sending me this beautiful helmet. This is a MT Falcon, which is an ADV helmet. Why I've got a ADV helmet? The reason is, in the coming few days or a couple of months, you'll see me doing a lot of adventure trails or trails, and that's why this is here. So let's unbox this and do a small review of this helmet. So what you get in the box, you get the beautiful helmet with this cover and one manual. So let's reveal this. So I've already done a lot of customization on this helmet with the Weekend on Wheels branding. So that's there. So talking about the helmet cover, this is a very good cover and it is very soft from inside. If you look at the cloth, very good, so it will protect your helmet all the time. Let's keep this apart, and then you get a user manual and you get something here inside. I'll tell you what. So to know, it's a very important stuff for all the riders and all the content creators. So watch the video till the end to know more what is this exactly. So coming on to the helmet. So look at this beautiful helmet. So this is a 2021 collection which is with new colors. This is the MT Falcon, their entry level ADV helmet. Look at that beauty. So let me give you a 360-degree view of this helmet. So like I mentioned, I've done a lot of customization to it already. From stickering point of view, I have a Weekend on Wheels mentioned here. That's the WOW logo which I initially designed, and then you have Weekend on Wheels YouTube channel and Insta handle here and hashtag WOW. That's about this helmet. So this is priced about 7,250 rupees. I'm gonna give a link in the description, and also on the screen you can see a link. So that's the link where you can go and buy one of these helmets if you wish to buy from Orin Motors. So that's their official website. So you can go check out this. They come in various different colors, amazing colors. You can look at this. This is absolutely stunning. Similarly, you have multiple colors that you can look out from. I picked the black and blue because I had something in mind and I picked that. This not only looks good from the exterior part of it, it also looks absolutely brilliant from the interior parts also. So if you look at the entire cushioning that it has got, the padding it's absolutely stunning colors. They've got some nice neon colors going inside, which is definitely my favorite. And whenever you wear this and ride, I'm sure a couple of people will have a look at you because the way the helmet looks. So coming from, why did I pick this? So when you look at the entry level ADV helmets, you probably look at a Vega or a Steelbird or any of those brands, which is priced about 2,000 or 4,000, anything between that. If you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscription button, and also feel free to hit the bell icon to make sure you get an update on every video upload. So they are only named as an ADV helmet, and they look like an ADV helmet. They don't really serve the purpose of what an actual ADV helmet is supposed to be. When it comes to a proper ADV helmet, you should look at something like an MT or an LS2. So these are proper good ADV helmets. Let's talk about the safety, or the certifications that this helmet has gone through. So this has a DOT certification as well as ECE certified helmet. So that tells this is definitely safe. It's a very good helmet with a good shell and a good safe helmet. And also when you look at the locking system, this comes with a double D locking system. That's again a very good safety feature that a helmet should have. So this is a double D locking system. And you might see there's no visor. So the ADV helmets normally do not get a visor. You need to have a separate goggle put onto this. So which I'm looking for one. So I probably might pick one from Zero Gravity, from one of my friend's place. Shreyas owns that place. So I might pick up something from Shreyas. If you guys know of any good goggles that can go along with this helmet, comment below and tell me, and I will have a look at that, and then probably decide which goggle I should go for this particular helmet. So that's coming on to the goggle bit. Now let's talk about the padding that it has got, the cushioning that it has got inside. So this cushioning can be easily removed. So these are all button based cushioning. You just have to unlock it and you can take it out and wash it, and it's very easy and simple to wash this, and that way you can maintain the hygiene of the helmet. Every time you go on an ADV ride, you'll definitely sweat like a pig, and then you definitely want to clean it. There are certain helmets which cannot be cleaned. In that case, there's another option that you can look at. So there's a product from Vista Car Care which is a helmet clean, and this is a foam based helmet cleaner. So just in case you have a helmet which cannot be removed, the cushioning cannot be removed, then all you need to do is use this. It's a foam based solution. I have done a detailed video on this. If you want to watch that video, I'm going to put a card on the top. You can go check out that and know how to use this, and it's very simple. So if you watch the video, you'll come to know. So this is something that you can use. Otherwise, you know how to clean this. Let's talk about the aerodynamics of this helmet. So it's very aerodynamic. Look at the shape. It has got proper cuts, and when you look at the side as well, it has proper nice shape, which makes it aerodynamic. So you have taken care in terms of aerodynamics of this helmet. Now what happens to you? Not just the helmet needs to be aerodynamic, the air intake has to be good. So there is a very good air intake system. So one is in the front, you can see this big grill, so you have a good air intake here, because you'll have the goggles, so entire thing will be closed. So here you have a very good air intake, and then when you look at the top, it has a very good air intakes here, two intake, and then you have the outlet point. One is here and then two on the side. So it has a good ventilation, so it breathes in and breathes out from here. So that way also you will be having a good ventilation inside the helmet as well, so which is a very important point. So that way overall this has a very good air intake system as well, so that's taken care. So overall, when I had to pick up a helmet, I felt that this was the best in terms of features, in terms of safety, in terms of good shell. So whenever you pick up a helmet, it is the primary thing, it need to have a very good shell. So it has a good shell, and it's a DOT and ECE approved as well, and it gets a double D chin system, removable pads, all of it adds to it. Now coming on to the top bit. So you have these three knobs. You loosen this knob, this top section gets movement, so you can adjust this by one size. So you can either bring it on the top or you can get it lower, and you tighten this. So that way you can get a flexibility on keeping the adjustment of this on the top or lower side. So that's something that you can do. Another very important stuff. So if you are a motor blogger, or if you want to record content on your camera, how do you do that? So if you look at the front, this does not have a position where you can mount the GoPro mount. For that you have an alternate. So again, you have one of these chin mounts which you can get, and I'm gonna put a link in the description where you can go check out this chin mount. So this is available in Action Cams India, so you can buy one of these and they can directly go on here. So the version 2 of this also has been launched. Again, it will be available in Action Cam. You will see the link on the description, and also on the video now on the display you can see a link, so you can check out that link to buy one of these, which can go on the top of this. If not, MT themselves have come with a solution. So I said there is something in this, and I will talk about that later. That is this particular thing. So MT themselves have designed a mount which can go onto your helmet, and where it goes is any of these three knobs. You just have to remove the plastic knob from here and replace that with this mount, and voila, there you have the side mount. So here you can mount your GoPro and record whatever stuff you want. So you can either put it on this side or this side, so right or the left side, or on the center. You can put anywhere. This is a brilliant solution given by MT for the first time, and this actually means a lot for someone like me who wants to record while going on the motorcycle and want to mount a camera on this. So I've given you two different solutions. One is use one of these chin mounts which is available in actioncams.in, or default you get this mount by MT itself, and you can use this onto your helmet to record the content bit. So that's about this helmet. If you have one of these helmet, comment below and tell me what do you think of this helmet, how good this helmet is. I'm going to do another detailed ride review as well of this helmet. How does this perform on high speed? Does it just go off when you're doing hundreds or something, or can you use this on not only adventure riding, also sometimes road rides or highway riding? Can you use one of these helmets? So I'm going to come with a detailed review on that also. And that's it. With that note, I would want to end this video, and I will see you soon in my next video. Until the next time, please stay at home, stay safe, and vaccinate yourself if you haven't vaccinated. Until the next video, I'm going to say ciao for now. Bye bye.